Air logic. Today we are going to discuss Java concept array. What is an array in Java? Okay, array is a collection of similar data. Okay, array is collection of similar type of data. Okay, the array is a data structure that is used to hold elements of the same type. Same type means, suppose if you are declaring suppose if you are declaring into same type, you need to declare. Suppose if you are declaring the string type only, you need to declare same type. So in between if you are declaring the string, then into number, it cannot accept. Number cannot be accepted. Only if you are declaring the string, all the string only. If you are declaring the int, all the integer, all the numbers only. Okay. Array is a data structure that is used to hold element of the same type. For instance, integer array will be stored only integer values only. Integer values only can be stored here, whereas character only are stored with character values only can be stored here. String value only can be stored here. So here array is a collection of similar data. Okay. Now array always starts with 0. Suppose integer values you are declaring. This is for the variable. In between variable you are declaring the integer values. Integer value 10, 14, 16, 17, 80, 85, 90. You are declaring here. So in between index integer array can be take. So we have the 7 elements. Here the 7 elements is there. It will have the index range 0 to 6 by default. Array can take the values 0 to 0th index. First one can take 0. Second one can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to how many numbers you can declare up to there. Okay. First element start with index 1. Okay. Here we can declare the up to 7 numbers is there. Array can take first value 0, the last value will be here 6. Okay, so array can take the values. It will based on the index only. Based on the index can take the values. First value should be starts with 0. Okay, now see how to initialize the array, how to declare the array. See, this is for the syntax. Type, which type? Integer or string or string double, like which data type you are declaring here, which data type values can be stored here. Okay, so second one is array. This is for the variable. This is for the array variable. Okay, new keyword. New means this is special operator for memory allocation. For array memory allocation. For this one, new operator. New can be used. Type, the size of the number of elements can be array. This is the type, is the data type can be here used here. Now size, how many 5 or 6, 7, 8 size we need to declare here. Okay, first one is type. Okay, type, then variable, then new operator, like then size. See here, integer bracket, then variable, new operator, size we are going to declare. So once if we declare this one, it will take the array this way. This way can be take array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there. Array can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Array can take the index based on the value. Okay. Now you can declare this way or this way array. Okay. Bracket is after data type, then bracket will be after variable, not issue. This one also, both are correct. So then initialize declaring array, we can initialize a whole array while declaring it just using only curly bracket. While initializing the value using this way, we can initialize the curly bracket. Okay, this is a string. How to declare the array? Initialize the array. This is the integer values using the array. Initialize the array. Okay. Now array can be two types. One is one-dimensional array. Another one is two-dimensional array. One-dimensional array, this is the syntax. Two-dimensional array, this is the syntax. Array, data type, variable, new keyword, size of the array, size of the data type. Okay, this is what that. This is the syntax. Either this one or this one. You can write anything, not issue. Okay, here is either this one or this one. Anything you can write it. Okay, not issue. Now, see, one-dimensional array. An array that has only script one dimension is known as single dimension array. Single dimension. It's just a list of same data type variables. One-dimensional array can have either one row, multiple columns, or multiple rows, one column. One row, multiple columns, multiple rows, one column. Okay, you can declare it. Suppose this is for the one-dimensional array. One-dimensional array, integer is a data type, is a variable declaring the integer values. During the execution, JVM mission will be create a block of 5 different memory allocations. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 memory allocation will be. How it will allocate, how to inside. See, this is 1, 0, this is 1, 1 based on the index. This is 2, this is 81, 3, 4. Okay, marks 0 is 56, mark 1 is 98, marks 2 is 77, 89, 3, 99. Block inside block will be created. So now we can go to the practical. I can explain one by one. Okay, this is the demo array class already created. Now first one is how to initialize how to create the array. For example, string. Declare the array. Okay. For example, string. Array equal to new string 5. Either this way or check it here. Check here. Either this way. See, either this way or see bracket in front of variable or after the variable, not issue. See, this way string array 1 new string 5. Both are correct. Both are correct. Whatever. So first one is, see, suppose if you are declaring the double also same. This is one data type double. ARY equal to new double 6. This is also correct. Okay, this is the way we can declare the array. Some more thing. See, new array. Suppose if you are not declaring this one, like this only, you can create it. See, ARY equal to new new double. This is also correct. Okay. Now, for example, if I declare the integer value int age equal to, initialize the data 12, 49, 22, 20, 50, 70. This is the age. For example, I initialize the array. Declare and initialize and initialize. Declare and initialize the array. Now, suppose here is we have not provided any size of array. In this case, a Java compile automatically specifies size of counting number of element in array. Here is you are not provide any size. Java compiler automatically specify the size by counting the number of element. They counting the number of element. Here you are not specific. So each memory allocation associated with a number. The number is known as array indexes. Here is suppose, for example, initialize. For example, internally is 0 equal to 12. Okay. Is 1 equal to 49. Age 2 equal to 20. Age 3 equal to 50. Age 4 equal to 70. So here is array always start with 0. Always starts from 0. That is the first element of array, index is 0. That is the first element of array, index is 0. Okay. So now here you can access the element array using the index number. Okay, you can access the element using the index value. Suppose if I can create and initialize the one example right now. So how to accessing the element? Now we are initialize the array. Okay, we are initialize the array. We are not declaring any size. JVM automatically it will take. Compiler automatically specifies by the counting the number of element. So I need to access the element. How to access the element? See, access each accessing each element. System dot out dot println accessing elements of, don't confuse, very simple this one. Okay, system.out.println, for example, println first, if you want to accessing first element, want to access first element, how to do first element? Now age variable, and how first element is 12. How to access increment using the index. So what is the first index value? 0. I can use the 0. Suppose we are declaring the, say, accessing the element of array, accessing first element 12. Okay, with the space, first element is 0. Okay, now same way, if you want to access second element, now we can use to the second element, which position index? 0 1 1 0, totally 0 49 1 1. Now if I run this one, see, 40. See, index can be accessed based on the array, can be accessed the element based on the index value. If you are declaring up to 100 also, first element should be 0 1 2 3 4, like this only can be accessed. Okay, now if you want to see third element, equal to fourth element, equal to 3. Fifth element equal to 4. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, like this only we can access the element. Now if I run this one, what will happen? I can check it here. See, 12 first element, 49 second, 20 third, 50 fourth, 70, like this only we can accessing the element. Okay, so if you want to, suppose same thing, if you want to check the length, array length, how to check the array length? What is the length? This one, what is the length? Now I can comment this one, suppose you don't know. Now sometimes you can add to the 100 numbers, 99 20 200, like we don't know what is the length of an array. If you are declaring, it doesn't know. Suppose if you want to check the length, equal to plus age dot length, check the length. Now run this one. See, 5. This the length is 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose if you have 100 and 200 array is counting there, you don't want to count 1 2 3 4 5. Just you can use the array dot this variable dot length. Okay, length. Using the length you can find it. Okay, suppose if you want to declare all the elements, now here single shot. Now you are using the 1 2 3 4 age 1 age 2. This is a time waste. We don't want to write it this way. Okay, code will be done automatically readable of the code, so we can use the some other different way. using the for loop through the array, loop through the. So system dot out dot println using for loop, using for loop. So for for loop for into I equal to 0. Initial one is 0. I less than age dot length, total length. Okay, I plus plus. So system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println age dot is I. Okay, so say check it here. Carefully you can check it here. See, initial value 0. 0, I took the I value 0. I less than age dot length. Age dot length means how much? 5. 5. 5. 5 is less than, sorry, 0 is less than 5. Okay. Now here will be print. First one is, first value, what is the first value? 12. 12. First value. Now if you run this one, what will happen? You can check it here. See, 12, 49, 20, 50, 17. The loop will run each one. Okay, each one. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length is 5. First one is 0. Second one is 49. Third one is 3. 3 is 3. 4, 5. Once a 5 is reached, automatic loop out of the condition. Okay, so this is the way we can write it for the for loop. Now, one more example I can show it using the string. Using the string, I can show it one more example. So, same way, string array equal to, now I declare the array and initialize the array. For example, Python, Java, C++, C++, Node.js, Like this, we are declaring the string values. We are declaring the courses. So find the element length. Now first find the element length. Find the length of array first. This is second way I am writing here. See, check it here. First way is directly I am giving the length here. I don't want to like this. Int is length of array equal to str dot length. Okay, this is using for loop. For into I equal to 0. Okay, I length of, I am not writing any length here. Already I declare here. This will store to in this variable. So I am using this name here, I plus plus. Now if I run on system dot out dot println I store the I. Now if I run, what will happen? Check it. See, all the data is came. Python, Java, C++, Node.js scheme. So length of array difference. This one length of array I declare inside the for loop total. Now I used the one declare the one variable here. In this variable I call to here length of array. That is a small difference to this one integer and string values. Okay, if you can use this way, you cannot issue. Same way, see, you can use this one. Length equal to, you can use this one. Don't confusion. Very simple this one. See, you can use this one. It will also run either this way or this way. Either this way or this way. Both are correct. Okay. So this is for the array declaration and array initialization. Okay. This one. So one more small for this one. Using the for each loop also we can use this one for each loop. Okay, for each loop. This is a way using for the for each loop, but you don't need to the length of the array. Here, so we don't need the length of array. For each method, each either loop is to the array element looping for the loop. Okay, you don't want to declare the length of array just using the for each loop. Like can go there for each loop. For each loop. Now first initially for need to declare the data type here, which data type string I equal to I variable data type for I and variable. Now here can go there system dot out dot println I. Sorry, yes enough. If you run this one, so okay, I can comment this section. Sorry, this section. You can comment this section. Now you can run this one. Now you can run this one. What will happen? See, Python, Java, C, C++. Okay, using the for each loop. For each loop, for the code can be read for each string element. For this loop can be read each string element for each loop. Each string element can be read and print the value here. Each string element this one and this one can be read and print the value here. Okay, this is the way you can declare the for each. Okay, now